Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Koniamonea again, and in today's video I will be showing you guys my mini small room tour. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure you guys give this a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Check them out, which are my Instagram, Snapchat, and my Pinterest account, and they will be linked down below. So let's just get straight into this video. Okay, so I'm going down the hallway. This is the entrance of my room. And first thing you see is the bed. Cut the light on. Right here we have the calendar. It's a different day, that's okay. And then next to that is the closet. What's in the closet is just like storage, just basically storage. I have this bin and like all of my little supplies and stuff are in there. And then that is more storage in this one. And this is just a dresser I'm not using, nothing's in it. And then you have a mirror. And then you also have this basket here full of like a lot of storage stuff I'm not using, and we also have like a little mop back there, but I don't use that. So like I said, all this is storage. And then up here there's a fan that I'm not using because the air's on, a rug, heater, poster, stuff like that. And then in the other one I have two closets, and it's more storage in here. There's like a lot of hangers I'm not using. My blanket I always use. And then these two bins. These are my activewear pants. And then these are like pajamas and like shorts and stuff right here. And these are my blue jeans. And these are just tops. These are bottoms, like skirts and stuff. And then in here there is a bin, like a little box. It's really cute. And then I just store like all of my brushes, combs, hair ties, all in there. And down here is, the first one is my underwear, socks, hair ties, stuff like that. And in this one, it is my heels, well, most of my heels. And if you guys want to see a video of my heels, like all of them, I have a video up already. I'll just link it down in the description box, so keep a lookout for that. And then down here there's more heels as well, and that's all in the closet. And then up here I have all these teddy bears. I don't use them, but I got all of them up there. That's all in my closet. Okay, next thing to my closet is this window. And on the window I have this pink curtain. I really like it because it's really cute. Like, that is really cute. But yeah, I have two of them. I have two windows. And then underneath the window is this trash can. I actually got this from Walmart. And you just lift it up. Yeah, I don't got trash in there right now. I'm in the process of cleaning. Next to that is this long cord. It's actually an extension cord right here. And what is attached to it is this light. So I have two lights attached to that. And then next to that is this Nicki Minaj poster. I love her. Yes, Chung Lee, yes. And then next to that poster is this Nicki Minaj poster. And then right under it is my queen size bed. And this comforter is so cute. I think we got it from Walmart. And I have the matching pillowcases. This is 1 and 2. And then I have 2 black silk pillows in the back. And then this black pillow right here. And 4 cream color pillows. And then this gray pillow, this pink furry pillow, and this zebra pillow as well. And that's all on my bed. And I just have my phone is charging. So next to the bed, I have my YouTube set up, and it's just my backdrop It's hung up right here. And then I have my chair. It's actually like one of these type of chairs. Yeah. And then I have this in the chair. I usually don't put this in the chair, but I have nowhere to put it, so I just put it right there. And then in front of it is this table. Nothing's on it. What's usually up here is this thing. This actually was like a jewelry thing, so I just broke it, and it goes like that. And then what I use to put my film on, this will go like that, and I'll just record like that. So that's just down here out the way. And then I just have my earrings that I have to put on today. So I have these two lamps. We got these from Walmart, and they are on both sides. And I'm just going to show you guys how it looks when I am recording. I can either use those two or the two at the top, but I usually just use these two. Down here I have the extension cord to plug up my phone charger, the lights, and other stuff that I want to plug up. And then next to my YouTube setup is the other window that I was telling you guys about. It has the same curtains as the other one. Next to that is this chest dresser. Nothing's in it. I just gotta put my clothes in it. And on top of it is this TV here, flat screen TV. Next to it is the DVD player, my wig head that I use to do my wig, and behind it is this pretty flower. It's fake, so it's fake. And we got that from Family Dollar. And I got my wig head from my local beauty supply store. Next to that is this nightstand. We got this from Walmart. The mirror down below didn't come with it. We actually got that from Home Goods. And the little candle decorations, we got that from Home Goods. Well, actually, we got that from At Home, actually, and it says it right there, and they were $2.99 each. And on top of here, we got this lamp. I actually got this at a Goodwill. It's actually really cute. Next to that, I have my clothing rack, and on here is my my robe. I have my scarf, belt, dresses, long jackets, like they go on the end, and then I have more jackets right here, and I have like extra hangers down below. And then over here on this, I have just all my purses that I decided to keep. I did give some away, and these are like my favorite purses. So I have got this from Walmart, this from H&M, this Michael Kors purse my mom gave me this from H&M as well, and I got this hat from Walmart. It matches this backpack, and I got this backpack from Ring. And here behind it is this mirror. I don't use it, but it's just there. And down below, I usually don't have this right here, but what's usually down here is my shoes. Like, you know, maybe I'll put these down there, or I'll put those down there. But I'm going out of town in a couple days, so, but I have like all my stuff packed for the trip, so I just put it right here. And yeah, that is my room. Give you guys a look again. Thanks guys for watching this video. I really had a great time making this video. I actually had a great time like putting this room together. Like, it was very easy for me. Like, I love it. I love my room. I love it. I just love it. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and definitely, like I said before, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow my social media accounts, which is my Instagram, Snapchat, and Pinterest. If you haven't seen it previously in the video, don't go ahead and look down in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.